Welcome to the Cryptomus channel. Today we'll delve into how our P2P exchange works. The first thing we need to do is, before getting started, you need to sign in or register on the platform. Log into your account using any of the provided authentication methods. To use the Cryptomus P2P exchange, you need to complete KYC. To do this, go to the settings in your user account and upload the necessary documents for identity verification. Now that KYC is completed, navigate to the Exchange page. You can do this from the home page of the website or from the dashboard. The first tab we'll look at is P2P. Here you'll see a list of all ads. To find suitable ads, use the filters. Set the type of transaction, buy or sell, which cryptocurrency you're buying, payment currency, and preferred payment method. After that, you can select a suitable ad and complete the transaction. Now let's look at the other available tabs. My Trades. This tab contains a list of your trades. Here you can view both open and closed trades. You can also use filters to search for specific trades, sorting them by type, cryptocurrency, and status. My Offers. Manage your sale, purchase ads here. Review the ads you've created, both active and inactive. You can also use the filter to find the deal you need. My Chats. Communicate with other users within the scope of a deal. Here, you'll find the history of all your chats if you need to refer back to them. User Center. Here, you can review information about your activity on the P2P exchange. Find statistics on trades, lists of your ads, reviews, and other useful information. Post Offers. In this section, you can create and post your sale purchase ads. Navigate to the Post Offers tab to start creating a new ad. Specify the coin, for example USDT, and the currency in which you want to conduct the transaction, for example USD. Then indicate the total amount you want to purchase, as well as trading limits from minimum to maximum. Choose preferred payment methods, specify the region, and add a description of the deal. Set the price per unit of cryptocurrency, fixed or floating, and the status of the ad, active or inactive. Complete the ad creation process. Buying or selling cryptocurrency. Before starting a trade, make sure the cryptocurrency is in your P2P exchange wallet. Transfer the required amount to your P2P wallet from your personal or business wallet. To do this, select the appropriate wallet on the dashboard, click Transfer, enter the required amount, and the receiving wallet. That's it. You can now proceed with the transaction. Go to the P2P section and apply filters to find the ads you're interested in. Select a suitable ad and fill in how much you want to purchase, how much you want to receive, and open the deal. After that, you'll see a page with the deal, where you can communicate with the seller, send them your details, or receive their details. Also, note the deal time, which can range from 20 to 60 minutes. If one party doesn't respond after this time, the deal will automatically close. You also have the option to open a dispute if, for example, one party doesn't fulfill the terms of the deal. Now you have all the necessary knowledge for successful trading on the P2P exchange. Follow the instructions and make profitable deals.